Cam the Camel by D. Scully. Illustrated by Liz Collin. "Line up, kids!" Mr. Camel shouted. "Welcome to Camel School. It's time to learn how to be a good camel." Cam wanted to be a good camel. She wanted to do well in school. Mr. Camel said, "The first lesson is running. When I say go, start running to the end of the track. Go!" Cam ran as fast as she could, but she was still last. Mr. Camel said, "The next lesson is calling each other." Mr. Camel added, "If you are ever in a sandstorm, you need to call for help. Now, listen to me. Moo-grrr." When it was Cam's turn, she called, "Moo!" Cam sounded like a cow. Mr. Camel said, "Try again and add the grrr." Cam tried 5 more times, but all she could say was, "Grrr." Now she sounded like a tiger. The 4 other camels laughed. Cam wanted to hide in the sand. Mr. Camel said, "Now watch me as I walk in the sand." Mr. Camel taught them how to walk. Right, left, right, left. Mr. Camel's humps rolled from side to side. Cam fell when she tried to walk like he did. Mr. Camel said, "Now we will learn to find food. Camels have to eat what we can find." Cam took a bite of cactus. She tried to chew, but the thorns stuck in her mouth. She thought, "Will I ever do anything right?" Next, the class went to the pond. Mr. Camel said, "A camel must drink 25 gallons of water on a hot day. Please take a drink. I'll watch and see what you can do." 2 students drank 22 gallons. 3 students drank 24 gallons. Cam could drink only 20. Cam wondered, "Will I ever be good at anything?" Then Mr. Camel tripped and fell over into the water. "Help!" Mr. Camel yelled. "I can't swim!" Cam jumped into the water. She swam and pulled Mr. Camel back to land. All the camels cheered. At last, Cam had done something right. Responding. Target skill. Conclusions. What did Cam think about herself? What are 3 details that tell you this? Make a chart. Write about it. Text to self. Make a list of the things you are good at. Draw a picture of one of them. Write a sentence that tells about your picture. Words to know. 5. 4. Into. Over. Starts. 3. 2. Watch. Learn more words. Cactus. Sandstorm. Target skill. Conclusions. Use details to figure out more about the text. Target strategy. Infer, predict. Use clues to figure out more about story parts. Genre. A fantasy is a story that could not happen in real life.